covering news where you live. This is 5 News at 6.
A few years ago, a severe meniscus tear could mean removal and a weaker knee, but Bentonville doctor Christopher Dougherty is using a new device on an old procedure to save patients both money and future surgeries. 5 News reporter Seth Stevenson shares one patient's story of success.
Ark Deon has a passion for helping charities and running long distance, but a torn meniscus put his running career in jeopardy.
Plan B would be probably just lifting weights and doing some really light walking, but that is all that I could do, so it would have limited my physical ability.
Instead, Deon sought help from Dr. Christopher Dougherty, a Bentonville doctor who specializes in a special type of surgery to speed up recovery with a stronger, longer-lasting result. This is footage of what Deon's surgery looked like.
My surgery was the end of September, and I'll be running in the Tokyo Marathon in just a few weeks.
Dr. Dougherty tells me he used to play sports back in college and eventually had to have his meniscus removed because it was damaged. He says with this device and this procedure, he wants to make sure no one has to experience what he went through.
And if we take the meniscus out, it's a guarantee you're going to get arthritis. It's just a matter of time. It can be as quickly as 5 years. It's much more common in women than men to progress rapidly to osteoarthritis and need a knee replacement. Okay. Repairing it can stop that.
Dr. Dougherty uses the NovoStitch Plus device and says that it allows him to repair most tears with a high success rate.
Being able to do what you can do, giving back to people is where you get the most satisfaction out of life, and being able to hear there was somebody here in Northwest Arkansas that was a world-class physician that had this new procedure and it was going to get me back out on the road. Yeah, it was like winning the lottery.
In Bentonville, covering news where you live, Seth Stevenson, 5 News.
Dr. Dougherty says that procedure takes all of 15 minutes. He says they stitch up the tear with sutures that are covered by the meniscus during healing.